In this video, you will get to see how to delete your YouTube video. Most of the things I'll be showing you on the computer screen. Come to youtube.com and then sign in. So when you click here, you will be directed to enter your Gmail credential. So once you enter the Gmail credential, you will now come to YouTube account, which looks like this, and come to YouTube Studio. You see here, this is how it will show up on your YouTube video. This is public now and it's published on this date. It will start showing up views. So this is now published. I'm going to delete this one. You click here and I understand that deleting this video is permanent. Delete, and the video has been successfully deleted. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share and comment if you found this video useful. Also, relevant links including video links are there in the description, including setting up of Google AdSense account, and hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching Canada Driving Tester.